Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make sketch anime. Begin by lightly sketching basic geometric shapes to form the head and torso. Use a circle for the head and lines for the spine and limbs, establishing the character's overall pose. Remember, anime characters typically have a head-to-body ratio of 7 or 8 heads, which helps maintain consistent proportions. This foundational step is crucial for building a dynamic and well-balanced figure. Next, focus on the face, which is central to anime expression. Use horizontal and vertical guidelines to correctly place the eyes, nose, and mouth. Anime eyes are typically large and highly detailed, reflecting the character's feelings. When drawing hair, think in terms of large, stylized sections and flowing strands rather than drawing each individual hair. This approach gives hair a more dynamic and characteristic anime look. Now let's dress our character. When sketching clothing, visualize how fabric naturally falls and creases around the body's form. Pay attention to gravity and movement, which influence how wrinkles appear. Incorporate small details like buttons, zippers, and unique accessories to give your character personality. Varying your line weight, using thicker lines for closer objects and thinner for distant ones, adds depth and visual interest. Finally, it's time to refine your anime sketch. Carefully erase all your initial construction lines, leaving only the desired outlines. Go over your sketch with a darker pencil or pen to solidify the lines, making them crisp and clear. Introduce basic shading to give your drawing volume and depth. Consider your light source and use techniques like cross-hatching or smooth gradients to create effective shadows and highlights.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.